Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. Hope you guys are doing well. I have a little haul to share with you guys. I think the past few videos that I've been filming have been hauls, but it's just it's just that I've been doing a little bit of shopping lately. It's another white bag. You know what that means, right? Bag within a white bag. Oh, I also have these random postcards that I got from The Ordinary because I'm going to send my Emoto a present, and they had these cards and I thought they were so cute. So it says make something from scratch. I just wanted to send her some stuff that's a little bit fun. Happy tears, do it for the happy tears. And then this one says make space, take space. So I'm gonna give two of them to my friends and they're gonna write a little message to her, and I'll probably also write a little message. But anyways, back to what I purchased. I went to obviously Hermes, and I did a little bit of shopping because, and these are my super puff mittens, because today is a polar vortex. It is so freaking cold. I actually want to put the gloves away. So we're right next to, oh my god, did I just knock you guys over? I'm so sorry. We are right next to my closet, or my drawer that I put my gloves in. Anyways, a little bit of a haul. The reason why I went in is because I actually wanted new twillies for my Goyard. I have this Goyard. If you watched my designer shopping video, then you would have seen that I bought this when I was in Japan, and the handles are leather and they are yellow, and I love this bag. However, I wanted to just zhuzh it up a little bit, and I find that the navy blue is just a little bit too harsh, even though there is navy blue in here. So I met up with my essay and she helped me pick some twillies, and it's so funny because like when she brought the tray of twillies out for me, she was like, and then I was like, and then we both whipped out the same twilly. And then I was like, okay, honestly, I'll go for that one because I like the colorway of it. But I'll show you what the handles on this Goyard Mini Anjou look like. It's a little bit easy to get dirty, you know, with it being this mustard yellow. So I do have this twilly on there at the moment, and now I've obviously taken it off. This is a dog twilly that I got last year, I think. So I love it. It's very cute, obviously. I need to go and steam it now that I've taken it off, but really cute. And I think I will reserve it for another bag just because, again, I think it's just too stark. So I'm going to leave one on so you guys can see what it looks like. But at Hermes, I picked up the Lunar New Year special edition blush first off. So it's the Hermes Plein Air Le Grand blush. Very, very cute little blush. Wow, the packaging. I was not expecting it to open this way. But I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I thought it was really cute. So I picked it up because my essay was like, hey, by the way, we have the new blush. So that's what it looks like. So that, and I love just the packaging. Sorry, you're going to see all the messy, dirty stuff, but it's really beautiful. It has the H there. And then on the side here, it says Hermes Plein Air. So I picked that up. Item number 2 is my twillies that I picked up. I bought 2 of the same ones because why not? You know what I mean? So this is what I ended up picking up, and I thought it was really cute too. So there is like makeup and feathers and keys and shells and just like little, it looks like a junk drawer basically, but I really like the color scheme on this, and they didn't have any more of the dog twillies that I like. They actually sold out. They only have the orange color variation left, and this is called the Twilly item number HT H2409 in the color CG Rose, Poudre, and Blue Sea. I don't know. So that is the colorway. I think it's a new Twilly print. That's what my essay said. It's one of the newer Twilly prints. So I picked up 2 of those, and I'll unbox the other one later on when I add it to this. But this is, see, I just thought it would be cuter. like not so stark. You know what I mean? If I put a pink twilly on it, just the color looks a little bit more, I don't know. Like, I love the yellow, obviously. It's my Pom Pom Purin bag. Hello, I have Snowsuit Pompey here. But something a little bit more femme. So I got that. I'll put that on in a minute. I think this is like one of the smaller scarves. Yeah. And the reason why I picked this up is because it's all dogs. So this is what it looks like. I like collecting all the dog items. This is the 70 cm scarf. I do see it on the Hermes Canada website right now, so if you're interested, you can definitely pick this up, but it's just a 70 centimeter one. It's a small scarf, but you can just do like a little tie and it would be really cute. I personally like it because of the dogs. Like, you know, I'm a dog person. There's no dog that looks like Harl's on this specific scarf, but is there one that looks like Max? Kind of. This kind of looks like Max, my sister's dog. So yeah. Anyways, that is it. I'm going to show you guys what the twillies look like on. Now I'm going to wrap it and wrap the handles. So I did one side of the twilly. So that's what it looks like right now. I can't get the handles even enough, but it is what it is. It's whatever. I can't be bothered. So this is one side. I'm going to switch out the other side, but I just figured I would show you guys as a comparison. By the way, this is not part of the bag itself. You have to buy this separately if you want this. It's basically like a magnetic closure, so you can close the purse when you're out and about. However, I ended up I just clasp it here because like I have a purse organizer inside and it just is too bulky if I want to do that, but it is nice to have the option. Okay, everyone, that is what it looks like now that both the handles are tied. I think it looks a little bit more spring, a little bit more femme, less harsh. I think the navy was just too much for this bag, and I really like the pink and the yellow now. I think that's really cute. I might go peruse like another day to see what new twillies they have in a yellow color, because I think like a springtime yellow, like how Pom Pom is this yellow, would match really well with this bag too. But I really like the pink for this so far. This specific twilly doesn't say anything Hermes. It says it here on this like little lipstick, but I need to tie it so you don't end up noticing what brand it is, which is really nice because a lot of times it will say like Hermes Paris on one end. But yeah, this is what my bag looks like now. That was the main reason why I went into Hermes, so I could pick up some twillies, but I ended up coming out with a blush and also my dog scarf that I had on my list for quite some time now, and I'm excited to style this too because it's my first 70 centimeter scarf. Is it 70 centimeter? Yeah, I think 70 centimeter scarf, because usually it's a 90 by 90. This is a 70 by 70. All right, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow me on Instagram _Hello Harley. Follow me on TikTok @Hello Harley, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.